I'll walk you through an example of a weighted mean. We use a weighted mean when we don't have access to the original data and we want to compute an overall mean based on individual group means. So here we have group 1 with a mean of 12 and group 2 with a mean of 24. You might be tempted to simply add up the two means and divide by 2, give you a mean of an overall mean of 18, but that would be incorrect because our weighted mean should treat group 2's mean more seriously than we treat group 1's mean, because group 2 provided a larger number of scores. And so we set up our overall mean using the subscript O here to denote the overall mean. We basically add up the means for each group. The little I here on the bottom of the M means that we're doing this for all groups. So in this case, it's both 1 and 2. We multiply that mean for group I by the sample size of group I divided by the total number of scores in the sample, summing across all groups. And it's a little bit difficult to work with this equation that has a sigma in it. So what we're going to do is get rid of the sigma and apply the stuff on the right side of the sigma to both group 1 and group 2 and put a plus sign between them. So we're going to use brackets here to represent what's happening for group 1 and group 2. So we have M subscript 1 times N subscript 1 divided by sum of N in brackets, plus the same thing for group 2. M subscript 2 times N subscript 2 divided by sum of N and in brackets. And now we've set this problem up so that it's easy to plug in values from up here. So we have 12 times 3 divided by 12 plus 24 times 9 divided by 12 and basically what we're saying here is that the group mean of 12 should only carry 25% of the weight. The group mean of 24 should carry 75% of the weight. Weighted contribution of group 1 is going to be 3. So it's 12 times 3 divided by 1 times 12. And weighted contribution of group 2 is going to be 18. So we come up with a weighted mean of 21, which reflects the fact that our overall mean is going to be closer to mean from the larger group than it is to the mean from the smaller group.